Alright, so you need to get into one of these locks. All you have to do is look into the slit between the dial and the lock body and find the true gates. So to do that, you want to have a good light source so you can see inside. Now there you can see it's all flat. So we'll go to the next spot, next, and there's a true gate. Now here we have a false gate. It is still a little groove, but it doesn't go as deep as you need it. So we're going to keep going. And there's a true gate. Another false gate. True. False. Okay. And we have it open. And if you can't see between there, like say you have bad lighting, you can take a thin piece of metal like this from a soda can and stick it in the gap. Now you're just going to feel for that groove. And if it's not there, your tip is just going to slide over. If it is, it's going to fall in that gap and get stuck. So it'll fall in and it won't be able to slide out. But if it's a false gate, you'll feel that bump, but it can still slide. The true gate, it's just going to get stuck. Okay. Alright, let's say that you have the true gates lined up, none of the false gates, and still not opening. All you have to do is shift all the dials over one time until it opens. And there you go. That's it.